Hello, hello, and welcome to Nails for the Week. My name is Lori, and I hope you're having an absolutely fabulous day today. I know I am because you're here and we get to play in the nail room. So let's get started. All right, so today, for the first time ever, I am trying Anacrylics out, and they came to me in this pretty blue bag. And I ordered the Easter bundle and some clear. So the Easter bundle came in this little green baggie, and the clear came separate in this blue organza bag. And there's nothing else in the bag, I don't think. Nope, there isn't. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm all for packaging, but, well, no, I don't care for packaging at all. I could care less if it comes in a little organza bag. I think it's kind of a waste. But I think it's cool that the containers are blue. That's kind of new, not new, it's kind of different and pretty instead of just the white. I never noticed that they were blue on anybody else's um, reviews before or if they've ever used them before. But here is the little Easter bundle. That's all that came in the Easter bundle. And the green organza bag. I mean, if you like packaging, like to me, I'd rather if they were going to spend extra money, spend it on the product rather than the packaging, but to each his own. And we got 5 colors, and here is all of her information if you want it. Here it is. Come and get it. Sorry. Oh, okay, and that's it for yeah. That's just me saying, what a waste. Anyway, she also sent some cabochons. Cabochons? Is that what it is? A little bunny in an egg and a leaf. They're cute, but they're huge. I guess I'm not that into that stuff. There was also some Anacrylics flowers, stickers in there. And I just got this new tip holder from Shein. Isn't it cute? It's iridescent. It's actually blue and yellow and pink if you twist it around. And this little cup was actually my mother-in-law's. I use that for a dampen dish. Cute. And we are also going to use some Young Nails monomer today. And that's it. Now, first up we have Cinderella. It is a light baby blue. It's very pretty. And so I'm just going to kind of play. I think that bead was probably a little dry. I'm going to tell you the truth. I have not messed with acrylics for quite some time. I probably should have. But I'm leaving this Cinderella in real time because I want to show you how long I actually work with this. And it's still very pliable. You could still use it. See that like loop there that I had? It wasn't moving. It just isn't going anywhere. So I'm just kind of lightly feathering it, painting it on, per se. So it is super, super thin there. But, I mean, it's still workable. I'm throwing another bead on here. If I remember right, this one was super, super wet. Like, it was super wet. Do you see underneath there? It's like the liquid was just kind of coming out underneath the extra liquid, but it's going out underneath the bead. And now I'm just kind of pushing it in back into the bead and working it through, but the acrylic is still acting exactly the same. I mean, it's just, and I don't know if maybe that's why it ended up on my brush there, that it was just so overly wet. I mean, like I said, I did do that on purpose. It you wouldn't know it to look at it, but this was a super, super wet bead. Like I said, the liquid was coming out from underneath the bead, but it didn't really change the consistency of the product any. So, I mean, for a beginner, this I think would be a really great product. Here it is, and I am still fiddle farting around with it. I am still messing around with it. I could still dent it, change it, make it do whatever I want. Although I don't know why I'm messing around with it, because it looks really good just the way it is. But oh, well, there's a dent on the other side there, Lori. Get that. The other side. Are you gonna skip it? Okay, fine. Just skip it. Just ignore the fact that there's a big old dent on the other side. All right, thank you. Yeah, you did a great job there. Jeez. All right, next up we have Creamy Peach, and it is gorgeous. It's so bright, but it's pastel at the same time. It's really pretty. I think it's a really pretty color, and it looks really good. See, there's no marbleization. I mean, it just stays where you put it. Look at that. Just kind of poop, poop, whatever. Yeah, squish it down over the side, doesn't matter. And these all act the same way. They're just really nice colors, I think. I had a little something in there, like a little piece of glitter or something, and that was probably because it was in my brush. I'm just kind of patting and pulling it over to clean that spot up. There you go. It's just a really, really pretty color, and I honestly think these are really nice acrylics if you're new. Now, the only problem with them that I can see, if you're not new, is they do take a long time to set. That being said, that's a good quality in acrylic for a new tech. So, I mean, they kind of act like a polygel, but they're not going to melt like it does on my fingers, melt and then get everywhere with polygel. But I think these acrylics are really great. Here is Lemonade. It's just a pale yellow. These are all just cream colors, and I'm glad for it. I have a ton of glitter, and I can put glitter in just about anything. So there you go. Now I have a really big bead here, and I kind of wanted to show you, the amount of product that I have on there, and it's just staying. I mean, you see that big, there's a ton on the side there, and it's not falling off or dripping. I mean, yeah, there's just a ton. And there's a little peak there that I got going in the middle, and it's not moving. And it didn't matter that I was twisting it around or moving it around, it just didn't move. So I honestly thought that, you can, if you really want to learn how to do the one ball method, this is the product to learn on because you have plenty of time. I mean, I had a ton on there. I probably had too much even for the one ball method. But, like I said, you've got plenty of time. You can play around with it forever. So, I don't know. I think that they're great, and I will probably be buying a few more colors. Get some more bolder colors. Maybe summer and then winter and some fall colors, just to have a good selection of everything that I would want. Everything that anybody would want. Just get some cream colors and have them for when I decide to play with acrylics, because like I said, I don't do acrylics very often, and you forget. I mean, it is definitely something that, it's not like riding a bike. It does take a while to get back used to it, back into the hang of it. And for somebody that does acrylics only every once in a while, I think these are a great option. So I'm going to let you watch as I finish up the last couple of colors, and then I will see you back again in the end. Okay, that is it. That is all. That is all of them. I didn't show the clear. I am sure that the clear is absolutely fabulous, but here are all 5 colors in the Easter collection matte, and we're going to go ahead and top coat them. I did not file or buff them at all, so they're kind of, they really weren't that different matte as they were shiny. But I thought that I thought that this is a really good product. It's definitely something that I will buy more of, but like I don't know if I said before, they were on sale, and I will wait for a sale to buy any more, just because they are a little on the pricey side as far as I'm concerned. But, they are what they are. Let me know what you thought down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you again next time. Bye!